Hi makers, it's Charlotte. For those of you who have been a part of our community for years, and those of you who are just getting started, welcome. I have some very exciting news to share with you today. The Wooden Wick Co started as a dream in a small LA apartment. That dream was to bring eco-friendly and innovative wooden wicks to makers all around the world. Needless to say, we've evolved into a much different business than we were founded as. Today, we offer thousands of different products to makers of all types, and our dream to revolutionize the creative industry has grown far beyond just wicks. As we continue to dream, grow, and build together, we're excited to announce a new name that encompasses all we've become and all we will continue to become for you. Without you, we wouldn't be here today. You are the heart of our business, the wick in our candle, and the reason why we wake up every day excited about what we do. With that, I'm thrilled to announce our new name, makesy. For all of us, makesy represents so much more than just a name change. Makesy represents the start of a new chapter in this story. This chapter is about you. In the coming months, we will be growing into new product categories, increasing transparency, expanding support hours, and offering many new tools to help you become the best version of your creative self. We will continue to innovate and grow together, offering you the best in supplies, services, and support. We are so thankful for each and every one of you. From our hearts to yours, meet makesy.